Riley, where are you going? Where are you going?
Okay. Space Fighter says that stars are much bigger than planets. Okay, so let's see if one of these
Come.
balls is a lot bigger than the other.
Come.
Do you think the yellow ball is a lot bigger
Come
than
on.
the blue ball? You do? Okay, that's one clue. Next, the Space Finder says that stars burn, but planets don't.
Hi.
How can you tell if something is burning? Well, it's super bright and really hot. Does this ball shine super brightly? No, it doesn't. And it's not very hot either. We can get really
Where are you going?
and we aren't even
I'm
warm.
gonna get you.
Let's check out the yellow ball.
You gonna get me?
Wow! Is this ball shining brightly?
Where are you going? Oops.
It sure is. And it's really hot. I can feel it from here. Wait. That's better.
Oops, fall down.
So the blue ball doesn't shine.
Yay.
It's not hot. But the yellow ball really shines and is very hot.
Goose,
That's
goose.
another clue. The space fighter says that planets always orbit stars and never the other way around.
Riley.